For those of you that know me, you know the channel, or you watch my Instagram, you know I love a dolly shot. And I've had this one for about 3 years, but it does have its limitations, namely weight. If I put a heavy camera like this on it, it simply cannot handle the weight. And it starts to judder or it catches, and it's not as smooth as I'd like it to be. So say hello to my new friend, newer DL300 Dolly. Oh, Jesus, this thing weighs a ton. I think this might be a slight level up from the last one. Okay, this is another level altogether. I mean, I can't tell you how nice that feels when you turn it. It's so smooth. Ah, you got extra wheels as well to keep it nice and smooth. You got a USB-C cable. Oh, come on, how considerate. Why doesn't every company do this? They give you a phone stand as well, because a lot of people shoot content on their phones. I shoot so much stuff with this. I'm on 700 gigabytes out of 1 terabyte. What else do you get? Very good, another one of these, because you always need one of these. It's never high enough when you put the camera on here. You need something higher up, and then you press. And look at that, nice and slowly, it's just moving really slowly. And then we'll press that once to come back the other way. And then slowly, oh, look at that. I mean, what else do you get in the box? Oh, you've got a GoPro mount as well. Come on, I mean, these people have thought of everything. I better stop that, because otherwise it's going to run off the end of the table. What a gorgeous piece of kit. Absolutely love this. And please tell me it's USB-C chargeable. Yes, USB-C. Sick of buying 500 different cables. Right, so let's have a look at this, shall we? And see what it's like panning. So I've got it at 3, if I put it on speed 5, and I put, what should we put on there? What camera should we put on there? Let's put the, whoo! That was very close. Let's take this off. There is no quick way of doing this, is there, with the camera? Actually, let's test the weight of this, what it can take, because the problem with, as I said, the last one was, I could not bear this sort of weight with a 24-90 lens on it. That is now screwed tight. Let's press that button. No, we don't want to power it off. Let's press that button once. I mean, that's so smooth, even with that weight. And then the change of direction isn't super fast. So once you press that again, it does it nice and smoothly. And then just press that button once, but it stops dead. I've wanted one of these for quite some time, and when they released this on, I saw it on Instagram actually, and you should be careful where you spend your money. So I always then check when I see a sponsored ad on that company's website if they're actually releasing it. They were, it was for sale, and it was pre-order, and I picked it up in a heartbeat because, as I said, I love my dolly shots. I don't ask people to subscribe or to like my videos, but I'm trying to build a community here, and every penny this channel makes, if it ever does, will always go to charity forever. Until I start making like 5 million a month, and then obviously I'm going to spend all of that money on crack, shoots, and booze, and I'm going to squander the rest of it. Please don't include that, James.